So today is a very special episode for me because I have my mom with me. After 1 year, we are re-attempting to make this video about her makeover. We started filming this last year. We meet once a year and I could not complete it. So she's here with us in Chicago and I'm like, why not do it this time? Are you ready?
Yes.
So usually in these one-on-one sessions with my clients, I go over topics that fit their particular need. So it could be anything from their body language, the way they walk, the way they carry themselves socially, their clothing, their wardrobe, their hair, their makeup, their styling. I mean, everything that can help them transform from the women they are or women they have been to women they always wanted to be. I wanted to gift her something and she said she wants to do her transformation, her makeover, and why?
Because it is needed. Why? Because I know I have problem with my makeup.
Okay.
I cannot draw a straight line of my eyeliner, even my lip liner, even my clothing. Whenever I am going for my shopping with you, you make fun out of it.
So you're my mother. And you have to trust me if I say I know you inside out. I know what your drawbacks are and how I could help you transform.
Yeah, I believe.
Right. So I know you have problem with your makeup. We will definitely sharpen that. Your clothing, you have always bought something that is way too tight, hoping that you will fit into it someday or hoping that nobody is going to notice that you're actually size large and not size medium.
Correct.
So just by wearing a smaller size, you don't become the smaller size. So this actually brings attention to everything that you don't want people to see. Right?
Correct.
Happen?
Correct.
Awesome. Your shoes. Why is it that you're always in sneakers? Everything. You wear a sari, I think you wear it with sneakers. You wear a dress, you wear a skirt, you wear palazzos, you wear leggings, jeans, sneakers. Why?
I have my back problem.
So you know that apart from sneakers, there are a lot of options out there.
Right.
That can also make you look good.
Yes.
They're very comfortable too. Right? So should we go ahead and try some out and see what?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So you can wear something apart from sneakers?
Yeah.
Another thing about you is that you wear gold. I don't know what is the obsession. I mean, there are so many accessories that you can actually wear that are not gold and they actually look better. I mean, what does it do? Why would you have bangles, a gold watch, those hoops and gold chains and...
But what happened actually in India, all other women, they are also wearing, so I follow.
So this is yet another thing. We all want to fit in society, so we just follow blindly what others do.
Yeah.
Let's break that too. Another thing about you is that you were obsessed about having long hair. She used to have hair up till her knees and it looked really nice on her, I won't deny that. But once you start hitting 55, 60, you have back problem, you had spondylitis. I kid you not, one day I just came without her knowing, I chopped her hair off, literally like this huge long braid was in my hand. Literally from here till her knees, I chopped all her hair off. I remember initially you were very upset, but in the next few days you actually started enjoying that hair, you had lesser neck pain, you were more comfortable.
Yeah. It's hairstyling is a powerful weapon. I know it. I started wearing the clothes which I could not.
You are absolutely correct. She is right. Haircut is a very powerful weapon. A lot of us get stuck in this belief that long hair is pretty. It is pretty on some people, but if it doesn't work for your face type, your body type, the kind of clothes you wear or your personal style, or if it is affecting your health like it affected hers, it's time to get rid of the long hair. Maybe make a nice wig for me. By the way, I've still saved that braid.
Good.
So I know that she likes to have her grey hair. So we are not going to touch her grey hair maybe. So I know you have really nice hair, very thick, shiny, glossy hair that I'm jealous of. But when you have such nice hair, why do I always see it either in a bun or a braid or just clip? You can do so much more.
Because hair dryer is very heavy.
Heavy? Oh, because of your neck.
Yeah, neck
okay.
pain. After every wash, I don't feel comfortable to go to salon.
That's true. So I will tell you a few hacks on how you can style your hair differently and appear more presentable like you want to. Right?
Thank you.
Okay, so what are we waiting for?
Just go ahead.
Let's begin.
Thank you.
Welcome to
Blush with me, Parmita Katkar.
So first make a note of what is working against her. Now that is her idea of dressing comfortable and looking color coordinated. So now coming down to your makeup. I've noticed you wear something that's much lighter than your skin tone. I think this is just something that a lot of people in India are obsessed with. Even when I was in the movie industry, my makeup artist would put on one shade lighter. Madam, you need to look fairer, lighter. Why? We are all born with a certain skin color. Let's accept it, let's appreciate it, and be proud of what we have.
Yes.
And trust me, if you start wearing foundation that's meant for your skin color, that matches you,
Definitely I'm going to use it. Definitely.
and definitely you look better.
Yeah.
Your foundation application, your rest of the makeup, I'm going to teach you something very simple. And I know that you're not artistic enough to do winged eyeliner or draw high cheekbones and contour, and you don't have to. That's not your lifestyle. That's not who you are. You just want to look more presentable.
Correct.
And even if you're not good at drawing eyeliner, we can totally create a look around what your skills are. So you won't have to do that again ever.
Is it?
Abracadabra. So I'm not going to do your makeover and just do some portrait pictures. I'm going to teach you how to do your own makeup. I will give you the simplest possible techniques so that you can do it yourself. And for that, I'm only going to do one side of your face and you will replicate the other side.
Oh.
Okay? Ready? Here I'm showing you the makeup really fast. But if you want to know how to do makeup for mature skin, I will make a full-fledged video on how we achieve this look step by step in another video.
Very nice.
You mentioned that you have a problem holding heavy blow dryer, hair brushes, engaging both your hands in blow drying your hair, and your back hurts and neck hurts and all that. So I'm going to solve that problem for you. One, I don't want you to go to a salon every time when you have to blow dry your hair. And two, I want you to learn how to do your hair yourself. Something that's very simple and easy. You have such beautiful hair, but because of the heat and humidity in India, it sometimes gets frizzy around your face, just this area.
Yeah.
So I'm also going to give you the right tools to do it and teach you the right skill set
Okay.
to fix your hair.
Okay.
Okay? So now this looks like a regular hairbrush, but this is actually a hair iron. This is Phoebe hair iron. This has nylon bristles, so it's very easy to touch here even when you're doing your hair. Do you want me to show you how to do it?
No, I can do it.
You can do it?
Yeah. I have seen you. You are using, no?
Okay. So I know you've been eyeing this since the day you came here, but no, I think this is the right thing for you. Let's start using this.
Yeah.
I think you can heat it up to 420 degrees or something.
Mm-hmm.
So while this is heating up, you can open your hair. All I want you to do is just brush your hair regularly like you do. Concentrate on this part when you're doing it so that you can get rid of the frizz in front. You'll get nice, smooth, straight hair. If you want to get some more volume in it, go from inside. So the inner part is the hair iron, and then it has nylon bristles on top. Now this has nylon bristles which are resistant to heat temperature. So you can hold the cold tips while you're curling or straightening your hair. Go, keep going. Show them what an 8-year-old woman can do to her hair.
Hey, I'm not 80 years old.
Okay, so your hair looks great. Now I'm going to use some hair styling wax. This is from Giovanni, because when she steps out in heat or humidity, her hair is going to look little frizzy. So we are going to maintain this look. Coconut oil is not your solution for everything. Usually you think just to keep your hair in place,
Correct.
oil it up. Let's look greasy. Right?
Okay.
So we're not going to do that anymore. What this will do is just keep your hair in place.
Yeah, I have that short hair always.
Yeah, the small baby hair on the sides. You look happy.
Yes. Otherwise it is frizzy everywhere. Yeah, this is really very easy and really good. Lovely. I really like it. Yes.
I will link this product below so you can read more about it. This is how she will look versus how she looked before. A very small shift in styling, but a very big change.
I think I can do it myself.
Also, she attends a lot of functions, socializes, she gets photographed a lot, she travels, meets very high profile dignitaries. Definitely a more exciting life than mine. And yet, she's nervous every time she faces the camera. Let's see the new and improved and almost complete project of mine. These are some of her looks that I created today. Just give me a thoughtful, peaceful expression. Turn your right leg to 45 degrees. Now bring your left leg in front of it. On your toe a little bit. So it makes you look slimmer. Drop your knee in a little. This way. Suck your stomach in. Shoulders back. Bend your elbows. Little bit, not so much. Just little. Yeah, that's nice. Bring your hair forward. Your scarf hair looks nice. Very nice. Tilt your head slightly. Hand bend a little less. You can hold your chains to feel more relaxed. You can feel like you're holding a napkin. So automatically, you're giving me a nice natural smile. It looks really nice. Like I said, she's a social animal, but gets nervous in front of the camera.
Correct.
So I'm going to help her with the body language too, because her new image needs new swag. Are the shoes comfortable?
Yes.
And we are going to end the session with some portraits.
Definitely, because this is most memorable and special day for me. People don't know the importance of transformation.
Until they get one.
Correct. It changes the way I look at myself.
It changes the way I look at you too.
Yeah. Parmita, we change everything with time.
Correct.
We change our updated phones,
Right.
our cars,
Right.
our home.
Right. But not ourselves.
Correct.
Most women don't do that.
Yes,
right?
yes. Parmita, you are true genius. You are not only image consultant, but you are image constructor.
That is the mother talking.
No, Parmita. Even if you were not my daughter, I would have come to you. This is the best gift anyone can get.
You are very sweet. But frankly, I'm actually happier than I was expecting to be. Because you have always played one role after another. But like most women, you did not prioritize yourself. So happy with all your looks today, and I hope that you will actually maintain them.
Correct, I will.
You will. Don't forget to watch her pictures towards the end of this video. Until then, make sure you let us know that you were with us and what was your favorite part of this video and what would you like to change about yourself the most. This will help me with ideas and suggestions for my videos in future, and I am still very sorry for this construction noise in the background. Thanks for bearing with me.
Hit the like button and subscribe button.
Share this video with your friends and come back to me next week. Until then,
Blush with me, Parmita.
blush with us. Thank you.
Thank you.